Is Hisense looking to revolutionize mini LED TVs? I'm here with the 2023 UX 85-inch mini LED TV. Let's go take a closer look. The Hisense UX Mini LED TV sits a step above the company's flagship Hisense U8K Mini LED TV, introducing a show-stopping boost to brightness that absolutely blew me away when I saw the 85-inch TV in person. For those who have waited for a mini LED TV that rivals the brightness abilities of Samsung's premium Neo QLED TVs, but at a more affordable price, the UX might just be the most exciting alternative yet. So, what makes it special? The Hisense UX's 20,000 mini LEDs and 5,000 plus local dimming zones are powered by the company's new OLED X platform. It runs the TV industry's first 16-bit light control algorithm, promising better performance in terms of picture clarity and color reproduction. In the demo space, the set's picture looked outstanding, even compared to the U8K. What stood out to me most was the black levels, which weren't quite OLED good, but still surprisingly well nuanced with little to no blooming. In some ways, it seems to me like OLED X is Hisense's answer to the QD-OLED technology being embraced by premium competitors like Sony and Samsung. It also looks the most premium of any Hisense TV. Unlike the company's other sets, which typically sport a simple, even uninspiring design, the UX is flashy. The left and right sides of the frame have a beveled effect with chrome details. I'm guessing it's supposed to create the illusion that the TV isn't as thick as it actually is, but it's still certainly eye-catching. The side frames also have visible speaker grills, and upon further inspection, I saw that the top of the frame also had upward-firing speakers. I listened to a brief audio demo from the built-in 80-watt 4.2.1 channel system and was impressed by both the height of the sound and overall volume levels. The UX supports many of the key formats you'll find on all the top TVs right now. Think Dolby Vision, Dolby Audio, HDR10+, and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro. It also has an ATSC 3.0 tuner for next-gen TV in the markets where it's available, and Wi-Fi 6E, meaning it gets some of the most modern connectivity technology available on the TV market. The Google TV interface is easy to navigate and integrates seamlessly with Google Home devices and Google accounts. It has all of the most popular streaming apps, further embracing the message of user accessibility. Of course, a big part of accessibility is price. From what Hisense has said, it sounds like the UX will look to undercut the competition, though it should still be more expensive than the U8K. That said, it could still help make mini LED more mainstream with a friendlier price point than both QD-OLED TVs and other premium mini LED offerings. Hisense hasn't announced the price yet, but has told us that the 85-inch UX will arrive in the US later this year. When you take these features and Hisense's value pricing into consideration, this is shaping up to be a very, very exciting TV for 2023. We'll hopefully know more soon, but in the meantime, check us out on social, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok at Tom's Guide. And as always, I'm at Kate Kozich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.